Hi guys, I am gonna teach you the all codes of Bloxprot. Guys, let's go. So guys, let's go to the Google search. So you're gonna search that, or you copy this. Hit reset, T, caps lock, T, caps lock, T. Get your codes now. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's this is the expired codes earn fruits like that. That's the expired fruit. So this is the all codes of the Bloxprot. Gator Set, sub to Captain Maui, Devs Cooking, Kit Gaming, sub to Fair 99, 999 Ineos Pro, Magic Bass, Jessica W Key, Star Code Hio, Block C, 14 Bito, sub to Gamer Robot XP1, sub to Noob Master 123, sub to Wonko Kizaro, sub to Digrag, Akshore, Tantai Gaming, Straw Hat Main, sub to Official Nobi 14, Big News, The Great Ace. So bye guys, and I'm gonna do a backflip if my subscriber 50, and I will live that. So bye bye.